Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, November 20th. Well, what we saw in the stock indices, as we talked about in the advanced video, was the impact of NVIDIA's earnings report, which was positive. And if you look at that, this is the Russell, and we don't see the same amount of influence. Dollar difference here, though, between that sell and buy level, just to give you a reference, is $4,050 a contract. Now, when we look at influence, and if you look at the other indices, for example, not only here's the Dow, but here's what we see in the NASDAQ market and the S&P. All those markets are responding. Here in the Dow, the dollar difference there, again, just to give you a reference, $7,790 a contract. Let's move on, though, and let's take a look at what's happening with the British pound. We're breaking near levels that we found buyers before, so be cautious on the short side, but nothing telling us to be a buyer with the current price action that we're seeing in that market, which means you're looking for a weaker British pound, stronger U.S. dollars. Over here in the silver futures, we did trade above its buy level. Dollar difference there is $2,250 a contract. What do we look for there? A sideways move in that market. And when we look at what's happening with soybeans, as fast as we went up, we came down. This also implies further movement down, but I think it's going to catch its breath. Don't look for a big day down on Thursday. Sellers may be present, but we're not looking for a screamer to the downside in that market. And the dollar difference buy to sell level here is $750 a contract. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.